There was a person, he was doing some effort, and when the people asked him, why are you doing this effort? What's your reason? He said, I am doing this effort, so if I'm in front of my God on the day of judgment, in front of my Lord, I can proud of in front of Him that I did this one for your sake. What do you have to present to Allah on the day of judgment? What you can present to Allah? What is your effort for humanity? You can present to Allah, Allah, I did this for your sake. Allah, you give me the life. In this life, I did this to help the humanity. I make this to stop people to evil. I make to let people to do good and not to do evil. What is your contribution to the world for the sake of Allah? You can preserve this. That's your wealth. That is your asset. That you do something for the sake of Allah, for the whole world, for the humanity. Not for one nation, not for one tribe, not for one race. No. I want to do good for the sake of Allah, for all human beings. That is my contribution. And I can present it to my Lord on the day of judgment. Allah, you did give me this life. I did this best in my life. That's my report to you. You will be in the front of Allah on the day of judgment in our next life. And now you can say to Allah, Allah, you give me the life. I did this in my life. And then if Allah said, yes, I like it. You did good. Go to paradise. And if you will be resurrected with the evil, and what you can present to Allah, nothing. And with this evil, you will be thrown in the hellfire.